Blessings, my lovely people, and I'm so happy you can join me in another tutorial. As you can see, I am rocking a half down bun hairdo with my luscious curls. So yes, it's so easy, simple. Keep watching. So yes, I am going to moisturize my natural falsy hair, and I'm going to do that using water, of course. So our hair needs lots of moisture because it keeps our hair pliable and hydrated. So if you don't moisturize your hair with water or water-based products, let's get it. You gotta keep doing it. You gotta start doing it, okay? So without moisture, our hair becomes dry and brittle. Yeah, and especially if you have low porosity hair. I am going to part my hair right now into half using my detangling comb to achieve this look. It's a simple, easy, protective style. You can wear it, rock it at work, at school, graduations, at the office, anywhere you want to go. It's a nice hairdo, simple to achieve. I'm using my butterfly clip right now to secure the top half. I am not ready yet for that, so right about now I'm using my detangling comb. I'm gonna braid the back of my hair. But okay, ladies, you don't need to go through all the stress or hassle to achieve this look. You can also section your hair into half, and you can use elastics to secure the hair, both halves, instead of doing cornrows. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using cornrow for my style, but you don't need to use the cornrow. You can do elastics, and you can also, yeah, so nice and easy. But I'm gonna do cornrows, some nice big medium cornrows, and yeah. So this is how my cornrows looking. I am not going to bother about neat parts, neat cornrows. I just do a quick snip because my hair at the back, it won't be showing. So okay. And this style, it can last as long as you want, as long as you care it. Mine lasts just for 1 week, but it's all up to you. So yes, of course, my boom, my shining jam in the yellow container. That's what I always use for my any protective style. My falsy hair loves it. And yes, guys, so if you're not into shining jam, if you can't find any product to slick down your falsy hair, your full type hair, trust me, get the shining jam. Get your bottle of shining jam. I use the one in the yellow container. That one works for me. That one is extra whole. So yes, and I will leave a link to all the products and items that I use in this video. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, incorporate the shining jam into my hair. So this is my scrunchie or elastic that I'll be using. I'm applying more Shine and Jam to my hair. My rat tail comb, I'm going to use that as well. And Shine and Jam, it's my everyday go-to styling gel, conditioning gel. Okay, and this, I normally use this on my clients, on myself. So yes, I am taking my extra hair and I'm just wrapping it around in a bun and using a bobby pin to secure it. And I'm gonna be taking my silk scarf to tie my hair and let it sit for 15 minutes and let the gel sit and hold my hair. But I'm gonna do my edges first. We're using the Shine and Jam. I use Shine and Jam as well on my edges. And I'm just doing a little swoops, just a few swoops. Silk scarf. To let the gel set. Make silk your best friend, guys. If you're not using silk on your hair, well then please, you need to make silk your best friend. Why? Because it don't suck moisture from your hair. Cotton does, any other material does. Okay, so okay, yes guys, this is the wig I'll be using. It's a cheap wig that I got from the beauty store for less than $5, and it has 2 secure pins or clips, and it has a band. And yes, so I'll be using my mousse on my hair. On that hair I'll be using some mousse to make my curls looking a bit quenched and moisturized. I'm just gonna incorporate the mousse onto the wig, and my wig it's brown and gold. Yes, so yeah. So if you have any wigs that you don't like anymore, don't throw them out. You can always style it up and style it down. Yes, you can wear it however you want, whenever you want. Don't throw it away. So this is how my hair is looking after 15 minutes. This is how it's looking. My Shine and Jam, so yes, I'm gonna secure the wig onto my cornrows right now using the clips that the wig came with. And I'm going to also use some bobby pins to secure it more, okay? To add more security. Especially at the sides. I'm taking some of my hair and I'm gonna wrap it around my natural hair at the top. Covering my natural hair so that it will look natural as possible. So I'm blending it. Use the bobby pins to secure the wig as much as possible, okay? So this is the finished look. Quick, easy, simple. 1, 2, 3, and it's done. Okay, so yes, my lovelies, so thank you so much for watching, subscribing. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, all those good things to my video. Please show me some love, guys. Subscribe. It's free. It's no cost. It's cost free. Please subscribe. Okay, guys, so yes, those cheap wigs that you don't want, you can just revive them by adding some hair mousse, some water and conditioner, anything that you use to moisturize your own natural hair. Use it on your wigs, even if it's synthetic. It's all good. Keep that wig alive, sis. Keep it alive. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay, guys, so yes, and I love you, and blessings to all of you wherever you are.